I'm Kimberly Jenkins, and I'm here to present OraQuick, invented by OraSure Technologies Incorporated. OraQuick is the first in-home oral HIV test. It was approved by the Federal Drug Administration, the FDA. HIV is a virus that causes AIDS and is transmitted through unprotected sex, contaminated blood, and breast milk. OraQuick is the same brand healthcare providers have used for 20 years. Time magazine declared OraQuick the best invention of 2012. It was the first and only rapid over-the-counter HIV test approved in the United States. It was groundbreaking in the healthcare industry. It's a brand new category because it's a do-it-yourself over-the-counter test. Brand new product because it's oral, and it's the first test available of this kind in retail outlets. The motto of OraQuick is, because knowing is the best thing. So why is OraQuick needed? Well, HIV is so widespread across the country that rapid testing is needed for quicker results. It's an over-the-counter, so no prescriptions, no hospital or clinic visits are needed. 1.2 million Americans have HIV. 240,000 are unaware that they even carry the virus. Each year, about 50,000 Americans are infected. This is what comes with the OraQuick test kit. You have information on HIV and testing. It's the testing directions, the solution, the oral swab, and test information. These are the new HIV infections by ethnicity that makes up the U.S. population of HIV/AIDS virus. 31% are whites, 21% is Hispanic or Latinos, and 43% are African Americans. OraQuick's target market are individuals who would rather be alone while taking the test. They don't want to be in a medical setting or have a doctor or a nurse administer the test. Women who are pregnant or plan on becoming pregnant. Those who engage in risky behavior such as the use of illegal drugs, sharing needles and syringes, unprotected sex, if you are unaware of your partner's HIV status, have a history of sexually transmitted diseases, or your sex partner has other partners and you are unaware of their status. And it's just if you want to do the testing in the comfort and privacy of your own home and you're afraid of needles. It's one test kit per box. It's a quick oral swab of the gums, and adults who are 17 years of age or older can take the test. OraQuick can identify the HIV antibodies in the system within 20 to 40 minutes. It's not 100% perfect, but it's highly effective. Now, OraQuick versus the standard test. You can get your results in 20 minutes when you do the oral swab, but it's up to 2 weeks in the office. At home, it's just you and whoever you desire to be with you while you're taking the test. In the office, it's usually the doctor, the nurse, and the lab tech. But because you're doing it in the office and you have a lab technician, you're going to have a higher accuracy of your results than OraQuick that's done at home. And in the office, they can do it by either drawing blood, urine sample, or they even do oral tests also. This is the stock report of OraSure Technologies. Their stock is going down a little bit. And this is according to the NASDAQ report. OraQuick uses indirect promotions like television commercials. They have it displayed on the pharmacy shelf and their internet websites advertisements. They do television coverage. They had like Magic Johnson, who's promoting OraQuick. He approves of the new at-home oral testing. It's been in national news, and they have several events. OraQuick is by far the first and only in-home oral HIV test kit. They don't have any competitors so far, but just you wait. There'll probably be some coming along soon. These are the events that are scheduled throughout the country of events that are happening with OraQuick. And this is the interview with Irvin Magic Johnson. He was the first NBA player to announce publicly his HIV status. Irvin Magic Johnson used to play for the Lakers. He was a great basketball player. Now he's a great entrepreneur and businessman. Mr. Johnson publicly thinks that OraQuick is a good product because most people are afraid or they are embarrassed to go to the doctor's office and ask for an HIV test or to their public clinic. So he recommends OraQuick because you can get the privacy of knowing your results, and you probably will test quickly in private. OraQuick is $39 to $60 per box in retail. Now that's a little more than half price for pharmacists and medical professionals because they don't need all that packaging, fancy packaging and labeling, and to make it more, I guess, appealing to consumers. So and they buy in bulk. OraSure sold about 25 million test kits to these community-based clinics, hospitals, medical personnel. But consumers can buy OraQuick in pharmacies. They can buy it online and in retail stores like Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Kroger's, Walmart, and of course OraQuick.com. The sources I utilize for this information are many, but you can go to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, OraQuick.com, or you can go to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and find out plenty of information on OraQuick and HIV. Thank you.